Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are at 15B, and it's a series. For other solutions within the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. The question says, calculate the 5-point moving average for the distribution 32, 31, 27, 28, 20, 18, and 16. Now, to calculate the moving average, we're going to hash them in 5 because they were given 5 points. This is 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 points. So we'll find the average of this. We come to this, after the first one, we come to the second one. We count another 5. We find the average. We come to the next one till we come to the end of the data that we were given. Now let us get into it. For the first moving average, that is 32 plus 31 plus 27 plus 28 plus 20. So that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points moving average divided by 5. So, and this gives us 138 divided by 5. So in the final analysis, it gives us 27.6. So for the second one, we have 31 plus 27 plus 28 plus 20 plus 18 divided by 5. So this, after it's been added together, give us 124 over 5, and that gives us 24.8. So for the last one, that is 27 plus 28 plus 20 plus 18 plus 16 divided by 5. So after we add everything here together, it gives 109 all over 5, and that gives 21.8. So for any question or any query, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much.